Welcome to your Constant Contact account. This video tutorial will go over everything from adding your contacts to creating and sending your first email. We'll also take a quick look at reporting and the different ways you can grow your contact list. Let's get started with adding your contacts. Click the Contacts tab and then click Add Contacts. Choose how you want to add your contacts. You can either type in one, paste in a few, or add them from a spreadsheet. Let's add them from a spreadsheet. Click Upload from File. Either drag your file into the provided area or click Browse your computer. Once you select your file, you'll be prompted to match your columns to our columns. This tells us which column holds the email address, first name, etc. When you're finished, click Continue. Now you have to pick the list to put them in. We created the general interest list for you, but you can create a new list for your contacts if you'd like. Then just click Import. You've now added your contacts. So what's the next step? Creating your email. Head over to the Campaigns tab and then click Create. Scroll through the available templates and just click one to select it. Once you're in the editor, you can quickly build your design. Click any block to edit it and put in your content. You can add other blocks by just clicking and dragging them. It may take some time to design the perfect email, but when you're finished, click Continue. This is where you can schedule your email. Select the list you just added and then choose to either send it now or at a later date and time. Once you're happy with your selection, click Schedule. We've just gone over two major parts of using Constant Contact. So what's next? Looking at your reports. Once you start getting opens and clicks, all of your results will display on the Reporting tab. Here you can see high-level reporting data on how your campaign did. You can see a graph of all of your emails and their percentage of opens and clicks. You can see where you got the most opens, either on mobile or desktop. Scrolling down, you can see a table breakdown of your results. Click on any hyperlinked number to drill down into the specifics. Need an Excel sheet of this information? Just click Export All as CSV. Or if you just need results for one email, select it and then click Export Selected. Moving right along, let's take a look at growing your list with Constant Contact. On the Sign Up Forms page, you can click to create a sign-up form. Choose between a pop-up sign-up form, an inline sign-up form, or a landing page sign-up form. Editing your form is similar to editing your email. Just click each section to fill out and customize your form. Pop-up and inline forms need to be embedded on your website. So if you're not sure how to do that, get in contact with your web designer or take a look at our install guide. Once you've added your form to your website, you can start collecting contacts in the place they visit you most. That's really everything you need to know about getting started with Constant Contact. As always, we're here to help. Check out our knowledge base for more how-to articles, video tutorials, and quick start guides.
With our Pro package, you're on the right track to supercharge your marketing and improve your results. Who has time to understand each customer individually and optimize the campaigns they receive? With Pro, our AI-driven tool does the work for you. Our platform will process your data and predict the best outcome. It will customize subject lines, recommendations, email content, delivery time, email frequency, and even promotional offers. With Pro, you'll be able to send the right message at the right time, every time, with the only marketing platform that is taking advantage of AI. To give you an example of how our AI works, let's talk about stages. Your customers will fall into different stages at any given time in their life cycle. While they can only be in one stage at a time, our system, depending on what stage that person is in, will send specific content intended to address that stage. For example, new customer, needs nurturing, ready to buy, cart abandoned, welcome, etc. To activate a stage, such as the welcome stage, simply create and publish your email templates, and they will automatically send to users in that lifecycle state. The welcome email, for example, is sent immediately upon the user entering the database. Set up each stage just once, and you will immediately have a comprehensive email marketing program that is automated and powered by data. Another important part of Pro is the determining of a churn score. Churn score is a calculation of how likely a customer is to churn from your brand. Having a low churn score means that customer is likely to buy soon, while having a high churn score means that customer hasn't been actively engaging with your brand and may fall into the needs nurturing stage. Too many businesses focus on getting new customers that they let existing customers fall by the wayside until they get fed up and churn away from your brand. With Pro, you'll be able to do all sorts of things like view your AI stats, send SMS and email communications, view your automatically segmented contacts, connect with different integrations, and so much more. If you're curious about any piece of the Pro package, don't hesitate to contact your coach with any and all questions.